everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of JDC Classes English. So as we know that PCI is releasing some new notification for the institution, for students and for the pharmacists. So few days back PCI has released a notification to all the PCI approved colleges that they have to install Aadhaar enabled biometric attendance system. So they have to install this system for the attendance purpose of the teaching, non-teaching staff and of course the students. So regarding this, we have one new clarification from PCI, and what is that clarification we are going to see in this video. So first of all, you have to visit the official website of Pharmacy Council of India. After scrolling down, you will see one circular section. Under the circular section, the very first notification is regarding this. So the clarification regarding registration of institution for Aadhaar enabled biometric system implementation in all PCI approved pharmacy institution. So few days back, PCI has notified to all the Pharmacy Council of India approved colleges that they have to start taking their attendance based upon the Aadhaar enabled biometric system. But they have not notified that where we have to upload this attendance. But some institutions, some colleges, they have already started uploading this attendance on some website. Regarding this only we have one clarification from the PCI. And what is that clarification we will see in this video. So first of all, you have to click on the very first link. Afterwards, you will see one attachment. After clicking here, you will see the circular which we have received from the PCI. And what is that circular is? What is that circular? It is. This is given as on date of 7th Feb 2025. So this is to all the approved pharmacy institution, to examining authorities and the state government. So this is regarding the clarification regarding registration of institution for Aadhaar enabled biometric system implementation in all PCI approved pharmacy institution. So what is that clarification is? So basically PCI has released the notification that they have to start Aadhaar enabled biometric system, and this was given on 24th January 2025 on this circular. In this connection, it has been notified that many institutions have initiated the registration or onboarding on attendance.gov.in. So this is one website where all the attendance has been posted. So these institutions, they have already started their registration on this website. Therefore, regarding marking of attendance of approved institution, it is hereby informed that no activity related to attendance be carried out for onboarding or registration on any attendance portal until further instructions. That means you just have to start Aadhaar enabled biometric system, but you do not have to post any of the attendance on any website until and unless PCI will give further notification. So council will release notification regarding the same with clear guidelines and the link for portal for the central scheme of Pharmacy Council of India in the near future. That means you just have to start, all the PCI approved colleges, they have to just start their Aadhaar enabled biometric system. The attendance will be taken as per that system, but they do not have to post any of the attendance anywhere until now, until we get the further notification from the PCI. And if you have any other queries, then you can mail and you can contact on these given numbers to the PCI. And the website, that is attendance.gov.in. So this is a website basically where the attendance will be posted, but for now they do not have to post it anywhere until and unless we get the proper guidelines from the PCI. So this was about the new notification from the PCI, and if you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section, and we will see you all in the next video. So till then, thank you so much.